First off, we want to make sure that the timeline is very critical. So when does the material need to be where it's supposed to be, right? That's what's going to drive most of it, manufacturing and logistics. But then while that's happening, in conjunction with that is we do designs and engineering for each project. But then beyond that, we also supply shop drawings. And when you're getting into these repairs where it's just, hey, on the third course, you need to do from 210 feet circumferentially all the way down to, around to 233 and it's 2 feet wide, but the detail associated with each project is very important. So we map that out and then we work through the schedule, to deploy that and repair it, right? So when is the material going to arrive? Where's it going to go? Where's it going to set up? How are we going to stage, especially in cold weather climates? What's the weather protection plan? How are we going to protect the asset? Where's the material going to be, saturated? Where's it going to be installed? All those things are kind of like the step-by-step process. And then once you get into the repair itself, again, which is after many steps already, then it's the QC and monitoring of the application to make sure, again, it's going where it needs to be. The drawings also include a shading process, if you will, to show progress on a day-by-day and shift-by-shift basis. So traction isn't lost as you're working through the schedule. So that's how we try to make sure that we're working through every single step from manufacturing to scheduling to QC on every single project. And then finally closing it out and being there once you put it back in service to make sure that it's online, it's doing what it's supposed to do, whether it be an internal or an external application for every project there.